Good morning, happy Friday. This is Paula S. with PCS Creative Services, and I am just sticking to my guns in doing some video content to post with tips. Today I am posting some tips on some stats that are available through Constant Contact. I really love the tools that they have available for figuring out how people have interacted with my email messages. So this is a campaign that I sent fairly recently. I sent it to 28 people, 18 haven't opened yet. So I hope that this click rate and open rate goes up because it included some links to some slides that people had asked for. One of the things that I love is I also included a link to allow people to sign up for a mailing list to receive information about future seminars. And it's nice to see that a person actually did click on that link in addition to getting the files that I'd provided for the tutorials. I also love that I can see desktop and mobile, so I can see how people are interacting with my email messages. I picked a mobile template, so that was good. So just wanted to share some of that information. If you ever want a demo or a walkthrough for Constant Contact, you should sign up for my seminars, and I do those on occasion. Have a great weekend.